How to fix the issue with Uber Eats application not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Uber Eats application in your device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head towards Google Play Store or Apple Store if you're an iOS device. After that, in the search bar you need to type Uber Eats. Then after click on enter and at the top results you will see Uber Eats application. If you see the option of update beside the application's name, simply click on it and do update the application. After that, you need to head towards the setting of Uber Eats application. So for that, tap and hold on the icon of Uber Eats and click on App Info. Then after you will be directed to the settings of Uber Eats application where you will see the option of storage. Simply click on it and click on Clear Cache, as sometimes collected cache can affect the performance of application. So once you click on Clear Cache, the cache for the Uber Eats application will be deleted and now your application will run smoothly. After all this step, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to restart your phone and try reinstalling the application. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Uber Eats application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.